our next talk, I'm just going to make sure we have the people we have here. Okay, awesome. So our next talk is on Inclusion Matters, Deaf and Hard of Hearing in Cloud Native and Open Source. So we are welcoming Destiny O'Connor, who's a CNCF Deaf and Hard of Hearing Working Group member. So we need to make sure we get everybody in. There you are, Destiny. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
All right. And I think we have some slides that are joining. Excellent. Okay. Looks technology is working. So Destiny, welcome. We will hand over to you for our
Great, thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Today's talk is about empowering deaf and hard of hearing in the cloud native and open source space. Hello, I'm Destiny O'Connor. I am co-chair for the CNCF Deaf and Hard of Hearing Working Group. You can go ahead and advance. Thank you. So our group includes volunteer-based members that are deaf and hard of hearing, either parents or deaf and hard of hearing, or hearing people with all shared common goal. Our mission consists of creating an inclusive and supportive cloud native and open source community that offers pathways for deaf and hard of hearing members from occasional contributors to maintainers or subject matter experts to provide them tools that they need to access advancements in their career. This is our beautiful team. The blue circles represent deaf and hard of hearing members. The pink represents You might be wondering why we need this working group. Well, the current diversity out there, those efforts typically don't include people with disabilities. People with disabilities often are an afterthought, and we want to change that. We want people in the community to drive that change. Nothing about us without us. This is important to me because the deaf community largely is invisible in the professional world, especially. A lot of people haven't interacted with deaf people before and haven't provided appropriate accommodations. So we want to change that. Because we're blocked and have limited access to accessibility, we're here. We're visible in the cloud native space and we want to be more so. So our plan going forward with this working group is to educate you about the deaf and hard of hearing communities. A lot of people don't know how to interact with us, and that's okay. We're here to help you help us. We'd like to help you learn what accessibility means and empower those members of the deaf and hard of hearing community. So what can you do? We can educate about our community. Think about accessibility. Is there captions available? Are there interpreters available? We need to be able to provide appropriate accessibility for our community. We're working on a list of resources to publish that you guys can take advantage of. So if you would like to check out our resources, we've got this QR code provided. This will include a list of resources for all the people mentioned here. So I'll give you a couple of minutes to hold on this slide if you want to scan that QR code. So next steps are really to become aware. We're trying to enforce this awareness campaign, recruit allies listed in all of these here on the slide, and help spread the word. How you can help, really, the biggest challenge is we just, want to get the word out. Spread awareness. Tell people why it's important, why it matters. If you don't know what accessibility likes, we are happy to help you and show you who we are and what we need. If you see us around, feel free to come and chat with us. Really, change starts with you. Don't underestimate the power to help. Thank you so much. It was great speaking today. Thank you to Catherine as well.
Destiny, thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate that. It definitely, as somebody who attends KubeCon often, it makes me think, like, what can I be doing to be more inclusive? So really appreciate everything you're doing for the community, and thank you so much for sharing today.
And of course, if there's any questions for Destiny, go ahead and type those in, and maybe Destiny can also stick around for a few minutes. It seems like people are thinking of their questions after we're letting the wonderful presenters go. So